But will she speak or won't she? That's the question everyone's been trying to answer. Jody Wilson-Raybould, chief among them.
I am seeking counsel on this matter of what I can and cannot say. I understand fully that Canadians want to know the truth and want transparency.
She may want to speak out, but a couple of things stand in her way. Let's start with solicitor-client privilege. It's the core ethical standard for lawyers. You don't reveal what you talk about with a client. As Attorney General, she was the government's lawyer, the government her client.
So if the government is seeking legal advice from the Attorney General and she provides that advice, then the government is entitled to treat that as a privileged communication.
Even in the face of growing calls from the opposition.
Will he waive solicitor-client privilege?
Waive any purported solicitor-client privilege.
And let her speak.
But what if legal advice wasn't the heart of the conversation? Then it gets complicated because
The Attorney General wears two hats.
Attorney General and Justice Minister.
Which is where cabinet confidentiality kicks in.
Anything that's said around this table or between ministers anywhere is a no-go zone, kept secret so ministers are free to debate.
The Prime Minister could waive cabinet confidence in this case, and there is possibly a risk that it would be waived in other cases, or that calls to waive cabinet confidence would widen to a larger degree of cases.
But experts say there is a way she can speak out now.
I am a Liberal member of Parliament. Thank you.
She is protected by parliamentary privilege, so she has the right to stand up in the House and say, well, almost anything without being sued. That is, if she wants to.
I think it's fair to say that she would be acting contrary to her role as a member of the Liberal caucus, inviting quite a bit of controversy.
And violating legal ethics, a risk she might not be willing to take. And so Wilson-Raybould is looking to a former Supreme Court justice for advice. So the wait continues. Salimah Shivji, CBC News, Ottawa.